we are still simplifying algebraic expression. All right, but this time we are simplifying algebraic expression using distributive property. By using distributive property. All right, kind of simple depending on where you at with it. All right, now distributive property is actually called multiplication over addition. All right, multiplication over addition. So let's practice. I sure can. Won't you come on up, man? I took a shower one day this week. Come on up. All right, multiplication over addition. Here we go. I need you to first understand that without doing over addition, that 5 times 6ab squared. Only thing you do is multiply coefficient, the number with number. That's all you can do. So it is 5 times 6, and the ab squared is going to be the regardless. All right, what's 5 times 6? 30. So we get 30 ab squared. All right, that's how we start off doing distributive property. Let's do it again. Negative 4 times x, y, z. All right, this is just multiplication. Understand, just because you don't see a number, there's always a number in front of that term. What number's in front of this term? 1. There's always a number there. So we'll multiply negative 4 times 1. And then you write x, y, z. All right. So the answer to this one is, what's 4 times 1? So we have 4x, y, z. All right. If you can do this, you can do distributive property. Let's do it again.
So even when it's the negative, it's still going to be...
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm tripping. I'm glad you said, because I ain't put negative right there. Look at you. I'm too mad. I'm glad you in here today. Because nobody going to say nothing. There we go. All right. Here we go. Hey, Jay. Appreciate that, man. 2a times 3b. Okay. So first thing you do is the numbers go side by side. We say 2 times 3. And then the letters go side by side. You just write it because a times b is just ab. So we just put the letters ab. Anybody know the answer to this one gonna be? That's it. 6ab. Coefficient goes first, variables goes last. All right. If you can do this, you can do distributive property. Am I lying, Miss Bell? Same thing. I saw you do it. I saw you already. All right. Here we go. Distributive property. Remember, distributive property is multiplication over addition. Here we go. If the problem was 5 times 2a plus 3b, you have to multiply over this addition here. What am I saying? You say 5 times this term and then 5 times this term. See, because there's a parenthesis, you have to say 5 times every term in there. It looks like this. 5 times 2a, bring down the plus sign, and then say 5 times 3b. It's multiplication over the addition sign. And you end up with 10a plus what b? 15b. And you can't put that together. That's the distributive property. That's what we're working on. We put it all together. We work on. That's why I had to start you off with that. All right. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. All right, no room over there. All right, let's do it again. Let's do. I got me one. let's do, okay. 2p parentheses over 3, oh no. 3n minus q plus 4. Tried to mess you up. Didn't even teach you that. Okay. Now, remember it's multiplication over addition. If I say multiplication over addition, if I put addition sign right there, that's because what kind of q is that really? That's why you have to say over addition, because you can't say, you have to make sure you know that's going to be a negative 1q right there. You got to make sure you know that, because sometimes that's going to be a negative right there. So you got to know. When I look at my terms, I really have 3n, negative 1q, and 4. So let's go ahead and draw. Let's go ahead and draw that 2p times these three terms. Let's go ahead and draw that. 2p times this one, 2p times this one, and 2p times this one. All right, let's do it. All right, so 2p times 3n. All right, then plus 2p times negative 1q. So I got plus signs. And then we're going to do plus 2p times 4. All right, that's what we got. See, in multiplication, everybody go together. Everybody for the streets, you go together. 2 times 3 is 6, and Pn is going to be side by side. Pn plus 2 times negative 1. So you always do the numbers first. It's going to be what kind of 2? Negative 2. And P times Q, just write it side by side. P's and Q's. And then numbers and numbers. 4 times 2 is just what? A. And what variable was it with that group? P. See, multiplication, nothing but multiplying the coefficients. You just got to know that that's a negative 1. All right, let's practice. Let's practice. All right, let's do A through, oh no, they tripping. Let's do A, B, and C.
Which ones?
A, B, and C.
For